I'm Grant, this is Dad Crafted, and this is a custom Tony Hawk frame for an autographed Tony Hawk pick. Alright, let's go. Alright guys, check this out. This is an autographed 8x12 Tony Hawk photo. I got this from Tony Hawk's website. This is a birthday present for my brother, who is a big Tony Hawk fan, who I think once upon a time had this board. I think he has another version of it now. Super cool. It's on his website still. Proceeds go to the skate park project. Did I say that right? The skate park project. It's easy to say. But I didn't want to just gift this as is to my brother for his birthday, so I'm gonna make a frame. So I want to make a frame for it and try to incorporate the board and try to make it look like that as much as possible. Alright, let's go. When I'm making a frame with 45-degree miters, obviously, I usually make my cut, and then instead of flipping the saw back and forth from 45 to 45, you just flip this over. As long as this is getting painted, I don't have to worry about, grain matching or anything like that. So flip it over, measure, good. Alright, so if you have big cracks like this that I'm not happy with, just take a little wood glue, use orbital sander right over top of it while the glue is still wet, and that sawdust plus the wood glue will help fill the gap. It's all getting painted anyway, so. Alright, let's try it. Perfect. One thing I mentioned, don't hook up your dust collection. You need the sawdust. There we go. This guy had a big gap. You can see I left a little bit of the gap on the end. So we'll have to hit that again. The rest of it, totally smooth, all filled. Perfect. The trick doesn't work quite as good for corners that are blown out pretty bad, and then for my nail holes, so wood putty. I'm not sure I trust my stability since my miters weren't exactly perfect, so to stabilize the frame, here's something you can do. Take a Forstner bit and a dowel that's the same size. We're going to drill a hole in each seam to overlap. We're going to go down just about 1/4 of an inch or so, and then I'm going to use the bandsaw to make 1/4 inch discs, and we'll just glue those in place. Let's do it. Well, not exactly perfect job here. This one cracked and kind of fell apart, but with the glue and everything, it'll probably be fine, right? Mental note, maybe sand off the dowel a little bit on the outside. Good enough for me. So, we have a frame that I think I was originally just going to paint this, but now to make it look more like the old school Tony Hawk board, I think I'm going to actually add the elements. So I'm going to find some hardboard over there in that mess and cut out pieces to just paint and glue on. And we'll see how it goes. Yeah, that's gonna look wild when it's red. Red, 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 blue. Yeah. Okay, changing plans. I'm actually going to put the backer to hang the frame on and Tony in the glass in the frame now, and then I'm going to glue all the decorative pieces on outside after that. I don't want to pound on this and try to squeeze all this stuff in and then have one of the decorative pieces snap off or whatever. So do this now, then I'm going to go do the glue up.
Recording, it must be freaking awesome.
It's kind of cool. I thought it was cool.
Oh, you made it.
I made it and
Oh my... What? What? Is that real?
yeah, it's real.
Holy crap, how'd you get that? That's awesome. This is the coolest thing I've ever seen.
What is it?
Oh, it's a picture of Tony Hawk from like the 80s, autographed with freaking Grant. That was the the skull, the hawk that was on his skateboard, that's on my skateboard out there, the one I had when I was a kid.
That's pretty cool.
And you did all that with the saw?
Yeah.
Grant, thank you. That is freaking awesome.
Alright, turn it around so we can see it.
Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you haven't already, please like, subscribe, all that stuff. And we'll see you on the next one.